Did you know that if you hold Shift and Option with the volume and brightness keys, it'll give you different increments, or that you can type the Apple logo? Well, here are my top Apple tips and tricks. What's good, y'all? My name is Bryce, and PokeMic Pro says, I love to see small channels with high quality vids. I subbed. Well, thank you for that. I love to see that you like them. Make sure to comment down below and you could be featured in the next video. So I have a lot of family and friends that also have Macs, and I love to show them like my hacks and some tips that I use. So I figured, why not make a whole video on it? And here it is. So send this to your fam and your friends, and let's get started. So let's start with the dock. The dock is this little menu bar right here. So to quickly change the size, you can just drag this line up and down to change the size. And if you want to change it to the side, you can actually press Shift and then drag this line to the left or the right. Or you can go into settings, which I will show you here. Go to settings and go to desktop and dock. And the way I usually have this is I have automatically hide and show the dock. So it's just gone if it's not there. I don't like that it's always there, and I can just, it'll appear if I put my mouse on the screen. Now, if you're wondering why you would want to have it on the left side or the right side, there's actually a logical reason that you would want to do that. So your computer screen has more horizontal space than vertical space. When you have this dock on the bottom, you're now squeezing the screen and you're having less vertical space than you had before. It's just a little, you know, if you want it like that, you can, completely up to you. But I like it like this, and it pops up whenever I want. I like it. So another cool hack to get this animation a lot quicker, open terminal. So I'm gonna go Command Space, enter terminal, and it brings up this right here. So now you're just gonna copy and paste this text. This one is super fast animation, and paste it, enter, and now you have this dock that comes up pretty much instantly. It's a little bit faster. If you want to go back to default, you can copy this one, go back, enter, and now it's back to default. And now you are officially a dweeb. All right, so next is Handoff. I use this every single day. I feel like not a lot of people do this. What you can do with Handoff is you can copy and paste back and forth between all of your iCloud devices. Let's type something out on my phone. So I'm gonna open up a note. Let's type oh, Jesus. Yeah, feel me, like, and subscribe. I'm going to select, copy this, and let's do Command V, paste, and there you go. You got Handoff. I use it every day, and to enable this, all you have to do is do Spotlight search again, Command Space, and search Handoff, and make sure that allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices is turned on. It is enabled, and also for it to work, you have to have Bluetooth on. If it's not working, turn that on, make sure that's on, and yeah. So if you constantly need multiple apps open on the same screen at the same time and want a more efficient way to do that, there's an app called Magnet for Mac OS that allows you to organize your windows quickly. So I have a window open, pick whichever one you want. I can have another window. Let's open this and put this on the bottom right, left. And then so I can go on YouTube, I can go to Amazon, open up another link. And you can do this with multiple apps. You can also drag each window, dragging it all the way up is the entire screen, drag it to the corner, it's the top right, and so on and so forth. So a couple different ways to use it. It's really cool. It's a nice little app. Okay, so the next one that I use a lot is Hot Corners. So what Hot Corners is when I put my cursor in either corner, it's gonna add a function. To enable this, just use Spotlight again, type in Hot Corners, go to shortcuts. It will be underneath desktop and dock, but since we did the shortcut, here it is. You can, a bunch of different options. You can do Launchpad. So if I go Launchpad, it'll take me to that. To get there through settings, you go to desktop and dock, scroll all the way down, and it's gonna be right here. Hot Corners, bam, cool. Next. All right, so this next one is a cool app if you have a secondary monitor. It's called Monitor Control, and it allows you to easily control the brightness on your monitor with a menu bar, or you can create a shortcut. I use Command 1 and Command 2 to control the brightness up and down. I can't control the brightness on this other than like going through the settings on the physical monitor. So it's really cool if you have a secondary monitor. Check it out. Okay, so the next one is more of a YouTube hack. So you know when you're on YouTube on your phone and you're watching a video and you can kind of like swipe down on the screen and then you can still like search stuff. You can look for videos while your other video is still playing there. So you can do this on YouTube on your laptop. And for a while I didn't know how to do this. All you have to do is make sure your video is playing, press I, and it'll go into the media player, and now you can search. It's also down in this button right here, but shortcuts is just always so much faster. I didn't know that for a while, and now you do. So yeah. Okay, so this next one might be my all-time favorite one that I used to do a lot when I was studying in school. At the time they didn't have it on macOS yet, but they just added it to Ventura. So if you go to settings, go down to accessibility and go to audio, enable background sounds. So what this is going to do is turn on like a little background noise. You can make it rain. You have all these options, ocean, all these other white noise options as well. So to get this on your phone, go to settings, go down to control center, scroll down, add hearing to the control center, open your control center, press the ear, and you have all the same settings. So you can change the background, rain, turn it up, turn it down. Now you have background everywhere. So how I would use this is I would pair it up with some lo-fi on Spotify or YouTube and just have that background to like set to rain. It just kind of adds that like the feels and like ambience to the music, you know, just so good and gets me focused. It sits right on top of the music and bam, you got freaking, you can zone in and do your work, you know? And to wrap this up, here are some rapid fire shortcuts that I use every day. Command F to search, Control Tab and Shift Control Tab to navigate tabs, Function Delete to backwards delete, and finally, Option Shift K. Have fun with that one. Alright, so those are my top Mac tips. Comment down below which is your favorite, what you think is the most useful. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like that smash button. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next one.